Hello, this is my review of my favorite newspaper app, the Daily Mail. Watch. This is the official Android app of the Daily Mail newspaper. My favorite newspaper and my favorite news app. Okay. Now, what I love about it, one thing is it automatically goes into landscape mode, which is cool, alright? And it's got loads of categories. So you got UK home, showbiz, female, sport, world news, etc., etc. Loads of stuff. And loads of content. It's just non-stop, you know. I like the stories and I like the fact that they have a lot of good pictures. So when you go into a story, you know, you click on the pics. Good pics, good content. And great categories. Motoring is one I like. It doesn't have the greatest motoring section, I admit. They don't do that many stories there, but they do a few. Sci-fi and tech I like. So, no, it's a great, well laid out sort of app. My only criticism really would be that it automatically updates. So sometimes the story's near the bottom that I'd like to read, and I come back to this app after a few hours, and I've added in new content at the top, and the stories at the bottom have disappeared. Okay, and there's no way to stop it doing that. Now you can go into settings. Sorry, I have to go back into the app there again. So, and go channels to sync. Now whether they're ticked or unticked, it doesn't matter. It'll still sync the new content as it comes in. So, I mean, it's not a big problem, but I guess that's about my only real criticism about this app, you know. But yeah. That's it, I like it. There it is in portrait mode. Okay, so just a short review of what is my favourite news app on the Galaxy S4 this is. But I've been using this since the Galaxy S2. Great app, I love it. Thank you.